Markla represent. Yeah, the same one. Money we are pre for the hero. Money me are pre to your sharer.
Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Kicking with JoeBlack, and a special guest, Chef Kelly. Click the notification bell.
And remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe
To our channel.
Yeah, and if this is the first time on our channel, just want to say thanks for coming by, alright? We really appreciate it. And the returning subscribers, want to say thanks for the love. As Kali said, welcome back everyone. And as you see me and Kali, you know what we're about tonight, alright? So tonight, we're going to reveal the winners of the prizes, alright? Yep, we are the winners. So tonight, we're gonna reveal, Kali. So tonight, we're going to reveal the winners. Right. In addition to that, I'll be dropping a few more surprises in, like, so for who didn't get to win one of the grand prizes, you still have a chance to win something, right? I'll be dropping a couple of phone cards in as bonus gifts, and with those phone cards, I'm just gonna ask you 3 questions. And the first person to drop a comment with the answer will win. So our first question is, how long did we take to get to 100 subscribers? So question number 1, how long did we take to get to 100 subscribers? Question number 2, how do you spell Kalyana? So that's question number 2. That's your name, so you must know how to spell it. So the first person to spell Kalyana correctly, yeah, one of the phone cards will be yours. And the next question, what should we ask them for the next question, Kali? No, that's not what. Tell me what you think. Something simple. How long did we take to get to 500 subscribers?
6.
No, 500. So, how long did we take to get to 500 subscribers? So, question number 1, how long did we take to get to 100 subscribers? Question number 2, how do you spell Kalyana? Right? So, spell Kalyana correctly, and you'll get something. You'll get one of the phone cards. And for the third question, how long did we take to get to 500 subscribers? Alright? And yeah, that's it. That's it, really. Okay. Alright. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna first, Kali's gonna pick the winner. Alright, so we're gonna pick the person, the new subscriber. Alright? And the new subscribers, I'm gonna drop the name on there. I'm gonna put the name on the screen so you can see who commented as a new subscriber. I think one person is Swain Hunter. Yeah, so you have Swain, that's her name, and then you have Girl, yeah, that's just it, and Sapphire Forrester, and Anika. Yeah, so that's 4 persons that has been entered in the hat. Okay, so Kali is gonna dig in and pick one of those persons. As I said, I will put it on the screen so you can know the names. So we're just gonna shake it, and yeah, Kali, just dip up and take one, please. Yeah. Take one name. What, you sure you have only one? Yeah, pull it out for me. Yep. So the first winner as a new subscriber is, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it's not gonna be that visible. Okay, so the first person is Swain Hunter. Alright? And Swain, if you're watching, I'm gonna leave my Instagram name so you can DM me on Instagram. Alright? So DM me on Instagram so you can claim your prize. I can tell her. Yeah, I want them to see the name, so yeah. Finally. So that's Swain Hunter.
Yep.
Okay? So that's the first one. And then we're gonna draw. Oh. And just Swain, you're the winner of the handbag or the bag or whatever. Yeah. You're the winner of this bag. So as I said, I'll put my Instagram name on the screen so you can choose. You can DM me and I'll tell you how, and we'll arrange how you pick up your prize. So we're gonna shake this again, and this is for the male subscriber that has been supporting our channel from day one. All right, so we're gonna shake this. Shake it. Kali, you wanna dip in and take one? Just one. Okay, you're gonna pull it. Okay, and this person go by the name of Rasbiz. I don't know, how do I let you see this? Yeah, that person go by the name of Rasbiz. So Rasbiz, link up. All right, drop a comment and let us know that you'll be claiming your prize. And we already know what the prize are for this. Yeah, perfume, and as I said, with a personalized ribbon. All right, so Rasbiz, that's yours. So just drop a line. And I said I'll leave my Instagram link in the description and also on the screen so you can claim your prize as well. And yeah, I see you in the comments, Rasbiz, always supporting the channel from day one, right? Always. So thanks for your support, and this is just a little token to show you that we appreciate you, right? Now we're gonna,
there's one more left.
yeah, now we're gonna go for the female subscriber that has been supporting us. Our names, so let me shake it properly. Pick. Right, is that one?
Yeah. So it goes.
Let's see who is the lucky winner on the female side. Let's go, Kali, let's go. And here we have a winner. Let's see if we can see, and this is All Things Tonian. So Tonian, you're the winner of the female prize. All right, so let's see if we can see the screen. Yeah, All Things Tonian. I don't know if you see it. Yeah, All Things Tonian. So Tonian, as I said, you know the drill. Just DM me on Instagram and we'll arrange how you get your gift. All right, and it's the same perfume, as I said, the perfume as well. And there you go.
The same perfume.
Okay, so that's it for the winnings. So
Ollie, there's the 3 winning persons.
yeah, so for the new subscribers, Swain Hunter. On the male side we have Rasbiz, and on the female side we have All Things Tonian.
Yes.
And I just want to say big shout out.
Big shout.
I just want to say a big shout out to all my subscribers, and I just want you guys to know that we appreciate you guys, and to the person that on the winning side.
Who's that?
We just want to say thanks. Yeah, so we're not gonna stick around much longer. Right, I think this has gone on long enough. So we just want to say thank you guys for watching. And remember, the phone cards are up for grab, right? So just link up in my DM and with the answers and how to claim the prize. So yeah. Is that it, Kali?
What?
You have anything to say?
Guys, don't go anywhere. Stay right where you are. Don't miss the video.
Oh, they won't miss it. Definitely, they won't miss it. But yeah, guys,
Bye.
thank you guys, and we're off. Thanks again for the support. Thanks again for the love. We really appreciate you guys. Enough love. Until next time, walk good.